Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin this PC on the taskbar in Windows 11. Pinning this PC or my computer icon to the taskbar is a great way to access essential functions in just a click. So let's start the video. First, right-click on an empty space. Then go to New and select Shortcut from the submenu. In the Type the location of the item field, you need to paste the location provided in the description. Copy this location from the description and paste it here. After that, click Next. Now you need to type the name of the shortcut. Type this PC here. Click on Finish. Now you will see a shortcut like this. Right-click on it, click on Show More Options, and then click on Properties. Click on the Change icon. Here you need to select the This PC icon. The address you see here, delete this by pressing the backspace, then press Enter. You'll see the This PC icon right in front of you. Select it and click OK. Then apply the changes by clicking Apply and then OK. Now right-click on This PC, click on Show More Options, and then select Pin to Taskbar. You can see that this PC icon has been pinned to the taskbar. Let me open it and show you. I hope it helped you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.